Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, today is a new makeup tutorial. So I recently saw a picture of Kylie Jenner on Instagram recently. I will put it insert it somewhere here. So that you can see. Hopefully I've done it by now. Anyway, so basically I thought today I would recreate this so that you guys can do it at home. So as you can see on my face, this is the look that I'm going to be doing, and I will do a step-by-step talk through of what I'm doing on each step so that you know how to do it and you can follow it at home. And yeah, without further ado, we are going to get straight into it. Right, so let's get started with this tutorial. First off, I'd like to apologise for the hairdo. I kind of curled it and it looked awful. Like it resembled some kind of poodle. So I thought we're just going to put it up in a bobble and a headband and hope that at the end of this video, when I show you the reveal, my hair has miraculously healed over time. But anyway, oh okay, we're going to have a conversation, but they know I'm filming. Okay, so I hope you can hear me over the loud noise of people talking. Stop talking. No one cares about your curry. I'm first off just going to take some WillsLoisb base and I'm just going to use this to carve out my brows, but also to prepare my eye for eyeshadows. Okay, that's what we're saying. This just helps my eyeshadows stick down for a long time. It also helps with pigment, etc, etc. We all know the score. There we go. So the palette I'm going to go into today is the Tarte Pro. I haven't used this in ages and I needed just like a normal neutral style palette, so I'm just going to use this one, and it has a big mirror, so this is why I used this one. And the first shade I'm going to go into, this is quite hard to show in this, but I'm going to go into this shade which is called Edgy, and I'm just going to take a tiny bit of Edgy. Just like I've done here, I'm going to put it on the outer corner and through the crease, and I'm just going to take a really soft hand because it doesn't look like Kylie's got a lot of makeup on her eyelids, so I am just going to take a really soft hand. So we've just got a little bit of smokiness going on, but nothing too crazy. I'm then going to take a fluffier brush and I'm just going to go in with the shade Bold, which is this one here. And I'm just going to use this just to blend this all out now. And I'm going to use quite a bit of this because this is what I want the main colour to be. This is kind of the type of colour that is on Kylie's eyelids. So we are going to take a lot of those circular motions and make it look nice and smoky. I'm then going to go back in with some of that WillsLoisb base, and I'm just going to cut out the crease. You do not have to do this, you can just leave it how it is and it looks super nice and smoky, but I'm just going to cut the crease because I like cutting the crease. So I am just going to do a tiny little cut crease. I'm not going to go really, no I didn't really, did I? So shock horror, I am actually going to use my natural crease for once and just cut out my natural crease. We're not going over because we're keeping it natural. I feel like I'm a traitor to my own makeup by not going over my natural crease because that's what I normally do. So now that is cut, I'm going to go into the shade Vintage from this palette, and we are going to pack this on the first half of this cut crease. I'm then going to go back into the shade Bold, and I'm just going to put this next to where we've done that brown. Okay, you kind of can't see it, but I'm just going to take it about halfway across where we cut that crease, just so we've got like that ombre. So it's going to be like light brown, then we're going to blend in some of that dark brown back into the light brown shade. I don't think that made any sense. Okay, we're gonna try and do this and hopefully you guys can follow. And then I'm going to go back in with that dark brown shade and just start blending this into that lighter brown shade, so we've got that ombre going on. As you can see on this photo, Kylie has got some serious wings going on, so we're going to draw a wing on the eye now. Then we're going to get into the fun part. And the eyeliner I'm taking is the Essence eyeliner pen. This is the waterproof one. For that yellow eye and lip liner. That's cool. Okay, sorry. Right, so I'm going to go into this Essence Electric Vibes eyeliner. This is in the shade 03 hashtag Neon Love. And I'm going to take, this is just like a yellow eyeliner. We're going to put this on the inner corner just because I feel like when you put an eyeliner down first and then eyeshadow on top, it just intensifies it a little bit more. So that is what we're going to do, and then we're just going to follow. Okay, so now that's, oh, don't drop the palette. Okay, so now that looks like that. I'm going to go into the Huda Beauty Electric Obsessions palette and take the yellow from that centre. Any yellow will do. I'm just taking this one because it's the first one I can reach. Okay, so now we've got that yellow down. If you look at the picture, it looks like it's quite highlighted as well. So I am just going to go in with a white highlight. I just use the white from the Coloured Rain palette. And we are just going to highlight it a little bit because this is quite like a mustardy yellow, and Kylie's yellow is a little bit brighter. So I'm going to use a highlight to brighten this up so that it's all shiny and neon and we can see it from space. I'm then going to apply some mascara, and I'm going to take the Pinky Goat Lashes in the style My. I think you say it like My, M-A-I. I would say My, so we're going with My. It's not like a super dramatic look, so I am keeping it kind of, you know, we're keeping it sort of understated, so I am going to go with some natural lashes. So that's what we're doing today. We're going natural. Point is, we're going to apply some mascara and some lashes, and we will reunite in 2 seconds. I'm then going to go back in with that dark brown shades and the light brown shades. I'm going to mix these up and we're going to run these on the lower lash line. There's not much on Kylie's lower lash line, so we are just going to take a teeny tiny bit just to finish this look off. So for the lips, let's take a look at the lips. So for the lips, I'm going to go into this Colourpop Ultra Matte Lip in the shade Aquarius 2. And I'm just going to put this on my lips. Right, so I am going to go and sort this weird thing on the top of my head that I call hair out. And then I will be back to show you the finished look. So please keep on watching. So this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did enjoy, please let me know down below in the comments what you thought, and please do subscribe. You have already come this far, so you might as well. And yeah, let me know what you thought. I'd be so interested. And if you ever have any requests, any pictures that you see of celebrities that you would like me to recreate, then please do let me know in the comments down below, or on Instagram or anything like that. All my socials are linked down below in the what's it called? In the description. Pro. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed. And yeah, I will see you very soon with a new video.